Okay, this is a very quick demonstration of my Turnigy 9X and PlayStation 2 analog joystick modification. So here's my 9X, and on the bottom here is a standard PlayStation 2 thumb controller. Okay, basically taken from one of these. You can also buy them individually on the internet for about $5 or so. So here we have a very basic pan tilt servo mechanism. So we can see if we turn to the right here and to the left, it responds. Okay. Typically you'd probably put a camera in front of that and use it for FPV. Alternatively, you can control, say, crow brakes, or do some fancy mixing with flaps, or push up for more penetration on your glider and down for crow brakes perhaps. The possibilities are endless, particularly with the Turnigy 9X and open 9X firmware, which does a lot of fancy mixing. I've also added, you can use the button. You can see the servo activating at the bottom there. So that is slaved to this switch as well, so they're kind of hooked together due to the limited number of channels. Now, on the back here, you can see I've got a couple of dip switches hooked up, so we've got a dual pole, dual terminal switch. And basically, if I switch this to the other position, these knobs are now activated. Okay. So basically the whole setup is the switch in the back here, so you can select your thumbstick, and then that switches over, so rather than using these pots here, it will use the pots inside the little thumbstick. There's two pots in there. Okay. We also notice at the extremities it's already reached its limit of movement, and then there's a bit of extra there. This is the same on each side. Not a lot you can do about it. The pots actually register nothing at the last section. I guess that's just the way the PlayStation controller works. Anyway, that's a demonstration. If you'd like to learn more and how I've actually implemented this, and would like to build your own, go to RCHacker.com and follow the links to the tutorial. And there's also a link at the bottom of this video. So you can click on that and it will take you directly to the video. Alright, thanks a lot. See ya.